Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add a blank page on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to add the blank pages in Google Docs. So you just want to go to the insert option here. You just click on the page break. So this will give a blank page on your Google Docs. It's easily. There is a lot more options on the break option here. So you can see it's a blank page. So this is a blank page that you can't type anything. If you want to type, for an example, I just click here. You can see after clicking the enter, I just going to the next page. So this is the blank page which give a blank space. You can't type anything. If you want to delete the blank page, you just want to select every page, everything like this, and click on the backspace. So only you can delete the page break. So you can create a pure blank page that you can't type anything. Just create a break page. So these are some of the options, like you can see a page section break or section continue break or whatever that you want. So there are three options and you can use this option, but just note that you can't type anything on the blank page. This is the particular option. If you want, if you are searching for this option, just try this and make a blank page. You just want to select everything on the blank page and click backspace. The blank page will be deleted.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.